In this video, I'll show you how to create a Developer Edition org so that you can play around in Salesforce, and I'll show you how to log into that Salesforce Developer Edition org. So the first place you're going to want to go to is developer.salesforce.com. When you get to developer.salesforce.com, you're going to be brought to this page. Come over to the right, the top right, and click this green sign up button, and click that. And then you're going to be brought to this Get Your Very Own Developer Edition org. So you're going to want to fill out this information here and then click Sign Me Up. So put your first name, your last name, your email address. You want this email address to be something that you actually use, because when you click Sign Me Up, you're going to get a confirmation email and you need to reset your password. And you need to actually create your password instead of just resetting it. And then you're going to click Role here, and most people it's going to be Administrator. And then choose a company name. It doesn't matter what the company name is. You can create this, make this up on your own. Country, choose your country. For most people it's going to be United States. For postal code, put your postal code, or you can put 12345. For your username, have it in an email format. So name@yourcompany.com. So it can be your first name at this company name that you just created up here, .com, but it needs to be in email format. So it can be anything you choose. And then click this checkbox here, and then click Sign Me Up. Once you click Sign Me Up, you're going to get an email at this email address here, and then you're going to reset that password. And then once you do that, you're going to be brought to the login page for your Salesforce environment. Remember this username right here, because this is going to be your username when you log in. So I'm going to click Login here, and you're going to be brought to this login.salesforce.com. So anytime you want to log into your Salesforce org, you're going to go to login.salesforce.com. And you're going to put that username that you created on the last page, and you're going to use the password that you just created from that email link. And then you're going to click Login. So now that we've logged into Salesforce, we're going to see this Setup app here as the first screen that we see when we log into Salesforce. So for most people, the Setup app is going to be the first app that you're going to see. If you see something different, I'll show you how to change the apps here, and that's what we're going to cover in the next video. So stay tuned so you can see how to navigate around different apps in your Salesforce org.